Operation Sindoor remains ongoing. Any future misadventure will be resolutely responded to. Northern Front. The situation along the Northern Front remains stable but needs constant vigil. Apex level interactions, renewed contact, and confidence building measures are contributing to gradual normalization of situation that has also enabled grazing, hydrotherapy camps, and other activities along the northern borders. With our continued strategic orientation on this front, our deployment along the line of actual control remains balanced and robust. Concurrently, capability development and infrastructure enhancement are progressing through a whole of government approach. As regards the Western Front, following the Pahalgam terror attack, a clear decision to respond decisively was taken at the highest level. Op Sindoor was conceptualized and executed with precision. Through 22 minutes of initiation on 7th May and an orchestration that lasted 88 hours up to 10th May, the operation reset strategic assumptions by striking deep, dismantling terror infrastructure, and puncturing the long-standing nuclear rhetoric. The army successfully destroyed 7 out of the 9 targets and thereafter played a pivotal role in ensuring calibrated response to Pak actions. In J&K since 10th May, the situation along the Western Front and J&K remains sensitive but firmly under control. In 2025, 31 terrorists were eliminated, of which 65% were Pakistan origin, including the 3 perpetrators of the Pahalgam attack neutralized in Operation Mahadev. Active local terrorists are now in single digits. Terrorist recruitment is almost non-existent, only 2 in 2025. Clear indicators of positive change in J&K include robust development activity, revival of tourism and peaceful Sri Amarnath Yatra, which saw more than 4 lakh pilgrims exceeding the 5-year average. The theme of terrorism to tourism is gradually taking shape. As regards the Northeast, neutral, transparent and decisive actions by security forces, along with many proactive government initiatives, have led to a marked improvement situation in Manipur during 2025. Peaceful conduct of Durand Cup, resumption of cultural festivals like Shiroi Lili, Sangai, and renewal of suspension of operations, that is SU, with Kuki insurgent groups in September 25, have been key markers of stability. In response to turbulence in Myanmar, a comprehensive multi-agency security grid comprising of Assam Rifles, Army and Home Ministry is working towards insulating the Northeast from spillover effects. With successful conduct of Phase 2 elections in Myanmar, we should be able to engage each other more effectively.